Hello and welcome to Business Brain USA. In this video, I'm going to tell you why Kinsta is the only WordPress host you should consider. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or a developer, you need a reliable, fast, and secure WordPress hosting service that can handle your website's needs. And that's exactly what Kinsta offers. Kinsta is a premium managed WordPress hosting provider that is powered by the Google Cloud Platform. This means that your website will run on the same infrastructure that Google uses for its own products, such as Gmail, YouTube, and Google Search. This gives you access to a global network of data centers, high-performance servers, and advanced security features. But what makes Kinsta stand out from other WordPress hosts? Well, there are many reasons, but here are some of the main ones. Kinsta offers a user-friendly dashboard that lets you manage your website with ease. You can create, clone, or delete your sites, access your backups, monitor your analytics, and more. You can also invite unlimited users to collaborate with you on your projects and assign them different roles and permissions. Kinsta provides you with a free migration service where their experts will move your website from your old host to Kinsta without any downtime or hassle. You can also use their staging environment to test your changes before pushing them live, and their one-click backup and restore feature to keep your data safe. Kinsta offers a variety of plans to suit your budget and needs. You can choose from 10 plans, starting from $35 per month for one WordPress site and 20 gigabytes of disk space, up to $1,500 per month for 150 WordPress sites and 250 gigabytes of disk space. All plans include free SSL certificates, CDN, and unlimited visits and bandwidth. Kinsta delivers blazing fast speed for your website, thanks to its optimized server stack, which includes Nginx, PHP 8.0, LXD containers, MariaDB, and more. They also use Cloudflare's enterprise-level firewall and DDoS protection, as well as their custom caching solution to ensure your website is secure and responsive. Finally, Kinsta offers 24/7 support from their team of WordPress experts, who are ready to help you with any issue or question you may have. You can contact them via live chat, email, or phone, and they will respond within minutes. They also have a comprehensive knowledge base and blog where you can find useful articles and tutorials. As you can see, Kinsta is a WordPress host that offers everything you need to run a successful website. It's fast, reliable, secure, and easy to use. Plus, it has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. You will find the link in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and sign up today. You won't regret it. Thank you for sticking around until the end, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more small business insights. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.